better. Yeah, man. I good over evil, you know. Me no bad mind, no man. Me no envy no man and me no hate no man. Me have the love of the world for people. So who is you and feel little dirty bad mind to stop my journey? Yeah, man, you stop yourself, man. You can never do that. Yeah. Look how me clean and me pure from myself to me and myself and me knowing of myself say. Me will never try to envy you without a cause. No reason cause me to envy you. If you do me something, you do yourself.
Shit.
You understand me? So just do me and buck up and done yourself, yeah. So just that me see it as. Me not have to carry no feelings and no revenge and no belly for you. Anything where you do me, you do yourself. So when me I go tell myself, say no, me should have want to do you, then myself me I go do. And myself me I go do. So me try to do the best, you know, to you know. Then the best will come to me. No man, so little dirty blood clot people, you want dish me dirt and get flowers and rose. Cause suck your mother. Oh. God asleep.
That's you what.
Me no ain't over there, me not. Me I go kill down man.
Yeah,
So
you
me
can
tell
fight
myself,
people,
say
you
you
go
know
fight
what?
yourself.
Try to do the best to people. And the best will come back to you. You understand me?
All time.
Yeah man, you want the bad to people? You want bad come back to you? Continue the bad to people then and see what go happen. Yeah man. Yeah man, you do good man in yourself man, you know say brother. You are go have haters. You know? You not go can be get rid of haters. But as me say, the more good you do, the more love you get. You understand me? So all them haters yeah, will become lovers, you know. The whole of them haters yeah become lovers. Cause we are the so good and perfect. People have to give in to it and gravitate to it. You not beg nobody to do it. Alright, and this I reach.
True, man.
Yeah man, and this I reach man. So all who did that tell themselves say, the little load of dog shit, them me no want walk on the road because around there. The whole of them want walk, they know. What blood clot make on a dog shit again?
No.
I go around there now.
Well,
So the whole of them want walk around there. No, no come. The road is there.
True, man.
No problem, you know. No me, no. Who know have the problem? You understand me? I know me. The road is still fucking there, you know, forward up. I know me are the problem, I who know. Yeah, man. So me see my thing, brother, continue flowing, going on, same way. Who fi stop me? That no exist and me can't stop myself. Then me could have succeeded to myself.
True, man.
Me say that was a fool. No, so me not depend that with nobody, brother. Me I take time and motivate myself when me have the strength and the power can motivate more people. That means to say this will continue going a far way. But our cat works now live on. What if me dead and gone? The work still live on. Me never keep it to myself. Me motivate a lot more people. So a man can say, boy, you know, say a bad cat make this possible for me today. The God pass and gone. But they say the brother, cause who is we? No, now we are not nothing, you know. To our hurt or run, you know, we coming like dust. Hashes. You see what I say?
Minute.
So if there is a good, well, you know, share
Live
it with the
like
more
I last
people
day I
then.
live, you know?
Yeah, you share it, man. You share it like the last fucking day you have a live with people, man. Share the good and the moment with people, brother. There is no fucking stress to you, brother. You understand me? Yeah, release the stress them with they up and we set up in the earth. But the blood clot, me I go take on now and I tell myself, say, bad cat, you're one of the biggest haters in the earth. You know, like people, you know, like to see people. What you have in a life?
If you don't want that.
What you have in a life,
Little
you know,
fame
want
you
to see
get.
people.
No.
Where you
No,
get
no.
it from?
Yeah.
Where you gain it
Them
from?
gear.
No people, man.
Them just watch something you
Alright. Everything where you have a people you gain it
that
from.
you could do and give back
Alright.
your respect to them.
Remember me tell you. So it's
Yeah,
me
man.
if you get up and hate people and I grudge people and I envy people so if you wow how where people do me so. Make we think about yourself people and stop live like fuckery. You see what me I say? What could I make me want to feel life? What could have make me want your right? What me could have make me want your wealth? You understand me? What fear no fear, man? Nothing not designed for me. Them me no live with the same way. Me not have to hate and grudge you. Choose something designed for you. Nothing not designed for me. So me I go just live on same way. Life designed for me already. You understand me? And life so precious, you know. More than whatever can design after life, you know. But so many people never yet look at that.
True,
You understand me? Then just look on what
No.
design after life. So you find say most people now no pay no attention to life again, you know. Them a look on what come after life. All these things gonna come without life.
True, man.
You understand me? So what we cherish? No must fucking life.
Yeah,
We
that's
are
the
gonna
first thing.
cherish, eh? I must life, cause without life nothing else cannot come. Look upon them pretty blink something yeah, we all love so much.
That's true, man.
No have no life and see if you can't get none of them. You see what me I say?
I mean that,
So
man.
you know just cherish fucking life, man. That means to
Everything
say
come
life
after.
give to me, give to you. See him where you cherish mine, me cherish yours. A life we are talk about. We not talk about the bling. Cause without life no bling no exist.
Nothing exists.
Where the people then gone, where then they are last are rasclat. Wow, where uno there? Where uno gone? You understand me? We need to get back to ourselves
Come back to
and
reality,
know
man.
what life is, where life worth. Where we there, where we are go. Eh? Where we are go without life. Where you are run down. You see what me I say? Take my life. At the same time, you a sell bread. Who a go buy the blood clot bread? Eh? And you take away my life from me. Who a go buy your bread? Who a go buy your cigarette? Who a go buy your weed? Who a go buy the fucking jugs where you sell? So check all the jugs fucking smoke are worthwhile.
That's true, man.
You see what me I say, brother?
Yeah.
So what you do? Don't take no life. Protect life, no man. You see what me I say?
Until you're ready to left your body.
Remember good no man. So some people just don't understand where we stand right now in the earth, you know. Where we need to cherish and worship. Some people lost it. Remember good no man.
True, man.
Yeah man, I dare some see it man. Me not fight and push for nothing, you know, cause me have it already.
Mm-hmm.
You alright.
Have it already.
Me have it already where me I go fight and push for. Anything else when me forget will come.
Naturally.
Yeah, anything else it will come. Me have life, which that is the most important thing when no man no want to lose. So when me need to fight for again, land and house and car and bling,
No.
that will never happen, brother. Nobody not gonna live to see me a fight for that. That not go happen.
Yeah,
No,
true,
me
man.
not put no trust in a that and no love in a that. Yeah,
Wow.
life bring forth everything.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That we know
everything. Yeah, man.
about. That me ever
And
talk
that's
about.
how I see it, man. And that's how I put it, brother. That me talk about
Can you
every
say
time.
me is not a lover of money, you know.
No, you can't be love money.
I like it, but me not
Money
love
is something where you can like.
Right.
Cause money is something you're
it.
supposed
Have
to use.
Right.
Alright, you have to use
And
money.
you become a lover and believe and you become a lover of money.
Yeah, go straight.
You do anything.
You
for
must
this.
get away. You go away, you know.
That's right.
You know, see nothing in a people again. You
That's
see
true, man.
everything all into the money. You all up in the money. Me not say money not necessary, you know.
Yeah.
But where love concern is not for money. Look at money. You can't love money. Money can't help you when anything wrong with you. How we from they say, well, the
Get
system
medication
set
and
up,
get
you have
that
to
money.
spend your money to
Yeah.
get where you want, to treat you
Can't bring
right.
back your
But
life.
without life around you, your money can't help you. Okay. Who are going to bring you to doctor with your money? You understand me? Remember, you have to have the money to pay the doctor to get you better, you know.
true,
But
man.
get sick in your house, and who are going to take you, carry you to doctor with the back of money where you have? Eh?
Nobody.
Tell the money, say, take you up and carry you to doctor, no man.
True.
Yeah, man, call your money and tell him, say, you know, sister, me sick and me want go doctor.
see
Try
if
have
he's
one
rich.
picnic around here, one sister, one brother, one friend, or one neighbor. And that necessary to you. Money no have no fucking life.
True, man.
You see what me I say? Life for life can help life, and life help life. You notice how we live? Everything where we eat life, you know.
True, man.
Everything where we live off our life, you know. So how you gonna live off of dead fucking things? Eh? I use you get them there for use, man. You have to use them as contour, then come. People then last in this, brother. Me tell you,
Last
say a
it too,
whole lot of will last round here. Yeah, man. Them not have no time for this, brother. Me tell you that. But it is a matter of time, you know. Each man, they have to see what go on and they have to hear what go happen. But you see, fam, we can teach one another,
Yeah,
and
they have to
you
teach
can
them too.
willing to able to
Willing
listen.
to learn, we have
All
teach.
right, remember, good no man. Yeah, man. You will get the understanding someday, you know. Someday you will get the understanding of what the teacher them used to teach.
True, man.
Yeah, man. I just have to sit down and listen and fucking learn, brother. Me nah give a man no fight, man, but it is there to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, take it in and take it in good.
How we are, say, man.